first time getting on. I have so enjoyed it, Ainhoa. I've
Thank you.
got a lot of catching up to do as far as practices, but I had stopped wearing my glasses about a week before I started your course, and I'm much more confident not wearing the glasses.
Great.
I have like -6 in my left eye with a -3.25 in astigmatism. And then this eye is about a -2 with a 0.275, at least last I checked over a year ago. I just have I have confidence now, even though I've been I knew 40 years ago, learned 40 years ago that I picked up a Bates book and I go, it's possible. It's possible. And I did a little, I guess it was the eye relaxation. I couldn't have time to read a lot of it, but I just had squeezed my eyes, just like putting pressure on, releasing it. And I go, oh my goodness, I can see the blades of grass. But it wasn't until about 12 years ago that I got serious and picked up an exercise curriculum, and no improvement because I didn't understand the relaxation part. So I was struggling, and I had taken my glasses off, and my eyesight was deteriorating because I didn't have that relaxation. And I knew things needed to be emotionally dealt with. And you gave me so much clarity. I knew there was something missing. And your program is so thorough. And I just can't wait to just really relax into all the techniques and bring it about for myself. I know it's there. And, you gave me that. It's always that doubt, well, maybe, yeah, no. And
Well,
you gave me that confidence